Hello everyone. Welcome to bitsgate. If you want to know how to create an instance, watch the video pointed above. In this video, we will learn VM migration to another AWS EC2 account. For that, we need to first create an image of our instance. Right-click on the instance, go to Image and Templates. Select Create Image. Enter desired image name and create the image. After image creation, right-click on it, and go to Edit AMI Permissions. There, under Shared Accounts, select Add Account ID. There, add the account ID of the account, where you wish to migrate your virtual machine. After that, save changes. Now in order to check for successful migration, go to the Another account, and look for private images where you will find the desired image successfully migrated from the previous account. We hope this video was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.